everyone, welcome to today's video. Thanks for watching the video and today I will take you through a interesting tool, AI based tool, which I recently came across and I think that would help every one of us who is working in the tech industry or in any industry, and we have to create business presentations that we have to demonstrate to the business users or to customers, and we don't want to spend enough time to create the diagram. So as they say, right? So uh, we can a diagrammatic way of presenting a particular thing is much more easier to understand and gives a better view. So I think this particular tool is very helpful in that scenario. So the name of the tool is Napkin AI, and you can simply search Napkin AI in Google, and it will. And once you get the results, you go to the Napkin AI website, and when you click on the sign in website, you get an option to sign up if you don't have an account, or if you want to use your Google account, Gmail account, then also you can use the Google account to create an account for yourself. And once you create an account, then you get an option, then you land the home page where you get an option to create a new napkin. So here, as I have created a new napkin already, what you can do is, suppose I am just demonstrating how to create an image from a text content here. So here I will simply write. So for example, I am working on a presentation that I need to demonstrate to my technical architecture team, and here I will simply write that I need a diagram demonstrating a JSON file will be received in an F3 bucket, and that will trigger a lambda function. Please generate. So once I type in my text content, I'll simply select the content and I'll click on generate the visuals. Then you can see that it will go ahead and generate an illustrative diagram for the text that I just requested for. Let's see how it comes out. So, like I said, right, it created an illustrative diagram where it is showing that a JSON file is received, and it is giving you multiple options as well, and that you want, that you can take it and use it. Okay, and this can be a simpler version, this can be a little bit, so it is giving you multiple options and multiple ways that you can present your diagram. And once you select your choice, then you can simply go ahead and download this particular image, and you can save it as a PNG, SVG, PDF or PPT. And then if I am selecting a PNG file and I download it, that's it. It downloaded the file to my local, and I can go ahead and I can use this particular diagram in any of my presentations or anywhere I want. So this PNG format is covered with a black background. Rather, we can save it as a JPG file or SPG file, and let's see how it happens. But yeah, this is very convenient if you are working on a particular. So you can just take this image and you can use it in any of your presentations. And yes, this is very helpful that we already have. So even I would like to tell a scenario, like I have taken a lot of notes from my previous meeting with my manager or any customer, and now I am just trying to put it into a perspective and create a document to share it across as a diagram. Then also that I can just paste my meeting notes here and I can generate the image for it, and I'm uh, I can send it across as a PPT. So yeah, that's it for today's session. Thanks for joining the session. Don't forget to subscribe or like to my YouTube channel. And thank you. See you again with more useful videos. Thank you.